Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we want to make this simple and pretty granny beret hat together. I made this hat for adult size and I used worsted weight yarn and two number of hooks. The first is 5 millimeters and the second is 4.5 millimeters for this final edging. Okay, if you're ready, let's get started. For the beginning, with larger hook, make one slip knot and then make 4 chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now insert the hook into first chain, grab the yarn and pull through this loop to make this circle. Now make 3 chain as first double crochet, then 1 double crochet into the ring. Make 1 chain and 2 double crochet into the ring. 1 and 2. Again, 1 chain and 2 double crochet into the ring. And we should repeat this work. Make 1 chain and 2 double crochet into the ring 3 more times. Now I'm at the end of round 1 and I have 6 groups of 2 double crochet and 1 chain. And after last chain 1, make a slip stitch into third chain of beginning chains. Then go to next stitch and make 1 slip stitch at top of that, under both loops of that, and 1 slip stitch into next chain 1 space. We should start round 2 from here. First make 3 chain as first double crochet, then make 1 double crochet into same space. After that, 1 chain and 2 double crochet into same space again. And then make a chain. We have 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet into same space and 1 chain. Now skip next 2 double crochets and go to this chain 1 space and repeat that work. Make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, 1 chain and 2 double crochet into same space. And after that, 1 chain. Again, skip next 2 double crochets, go to next chain 1 space and repeat that work. Make 2 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 double crochet into same space, and then make a chain. And repeat this sequence 3 more times. Make 2 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 double crochet into each chain 1 space, and after each group make 1 chain. Now round 2 is finished, and after last chain 1 make 1 slip stitch into third chain of these beginning chains, 1 slip stitch at top of next double crochet and 1 slip stitch into next chain 1 space. Start round 3 from here. Make 3 chain as first double crochet and then make 2 double crochet into same space. After that, make 1 chain and skip next 2 double crochets, go to chain 1 space and make 3 double crochet here. 1, 2 and 3. 1 chain, again go to next chain 1 space and skip all double crochets in between. Make 3 double crochet into this chain 1 space. 1 chain and repeat that work. We have to make a group of 3 double crochet into each chain 1 space, and after that make 1 chain and continue until the end. Round 3 is finished, and after last chain 1 make 1 slip stitch into third chain of beginning chains, then 1 slip stitch into next double crochet 1 slip stitch into the next, and 1 slip stitch into next chain 1 space. We should start next round, round 4, from here. Make 3 chain as first double crochet, then make 1 double crochet into same space, 1 chain, and 2 double crochet into same space. And after that, make a chain. Actually, this round is a repeat of round 2, but in round 2 we had 6 groups because we had 6 chain 1 space in round 1, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 chain 1 space in round 3, and so we should have 12 groups of these 2 double crochet, 1 chain, and 2 double crochet in this round. Repeat that work. Go to next chain 1 space, make 2 double crochet, 1 chain, and again 2 double crochet into same space, and after that make a chain and repeat that work. Make 2 double crochet, 1 chain, and 2 double crochet into this chain 1 space and make a chain, and repeat this group into each chain 1 space of previous round. Okay, now round 4 is finished, and we have 12 groups of these 2 double crochet, 1 chain, and 2 double crochet, and with 1 chain between each of them. Now after last chain, make 1 slip stitch into third chain of beginning chains, and 1 slip stitch into next double crochet, and then make 1 slip stitch into next chain 1 space. Start round 5 with 3 chain as first double crochet, and then make 1 double crochet into same space. Make a chain, skip next 2 double crochets, and make 2 double crochet into next chain 1 space. 1 and 2. Again, make a chain, skip next 2 double crochet, and go to next chain 1 space. Make 2 double crochet here. 1, 2. 1 chain, skip next 2 double crochets, make 2 double crochet into next chain 1 space, and after that make 1 chain and continue this work. We have to make 2 double crochet into each chain 1 space of previous round, and after that make 1 chain. Now I'm at the end of round 5, and I have 24 groups of 2 double crochets with 1 chain between each of them. And after joining to third chain of beginning chains, go to next double crochet and make 1 slip stitch at top of that, and then 1 slip stitch into next chain 1 space, and start round 6 from here with 3 chain as first double crochet, and then make 2 double crochet again into same space, 1 and 2. Then make a chain and go to next chain 1 space, make 3 double crochet here, 1, 2, 3. 1 chain, skip next 2 double crochets, go to next chain 1 space and make 3 double crochet into the space, and after that make 1 chain and repeat this sequence. Now I'm at the end of round 6, and I have 24 groups of 3 double crochets with 1 chain in between each of them. And at the end I made 1 slip stitch into third chain of beginning chains and into next 2 double crochets and next chain 1 space, and we should start round 7 from here. Make 3 chain as first double crochet, and then make 2 double crochet into same space, 1 and 2. Now make a chain and go to next chain 1 space and make 2 double crochet, 1 chain, and 2 double crochet into this space, 1, 2, 1 chain, again 1 and 2, and after that make a chain. And we should repeat this sequence. Make 3 double crochet into next space, 1, 2 and 3, make a chain, and then make 2 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 double crochet into next space. 1 and 2, 1 chain, and again 2 double crochet into same space, and after that make a chain, and again repeat that work. 3 double crochet into next space, 2 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 double crochet into next, again 3 into the next, 2 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 double crochet into the next, and 1 chain in between each group, and continue until the end of the round. Now round 7 is finished, and I have 12 groups of 3 double crochet and 12 groups of 2 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 double crochet with 1 chain in between each of them. And now I made a slip stitch into third chain of these beginning chains, and next 2 double crochet and next chain 1 space, and start round 8 from here. Make 3 chain as first double crochet, and then make 1 double crochet into same space, 1 chain, skip next 2 double crochet, go to next chain 1 space, and make 2 double crochet again, 1 chain, skip next 2 double crochet and make 2 double crochet into next chain 1 space, 1 and 2, 1 chain, and skip next 3 double crochet and make 2 double crochet into next space, 1 and 2, and then make a chain. And after that we have to repeat this work. Actually we have to make 2 double crochet into each chain 1 space, here, 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 and continue until the end. Now I'm at the end of round 8, and I have 36 groups of 2 double crochet and 1 chain. Actually we made a circle with increasing the number of stitches in each round, and we made this circle bigger and bigger in each round, and now the diameter of our circle has reached 10 inches or 25 centimeters. And after that we should stop increasing, and we should repeat this round 8 3 more times. We should make 1 chain, 3 chain and 1 double crochet into this chain 1 space, then 1 chain and 2 double crochet into each chain 1 space, and repeat 3 more times of this round. We should continue this work and make round 9, 10 and 11, such as round 8. Okay, now I'm at the end of round 11, and this is my work after these 11 rounds. And from here we should decrease the number of stitches. So in round 12, start the work from here, from first chain 1 space after these 2 double crochet of the beginning of the round 11, and make 3 chains, then make 2 double crochet into same space, 1 and 2, and 1 chain. Now go to next chain 1 space, first make 1 double crochet into that, and now make 1 decrease double crochet into this space and next space, yarn over, insert the hook into the space and pull up a loop, and then go to next space and pull up a loop. Now I have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 3 loops, and then yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, and after that make 1 double crochet into this space, then make a chain. We should repeat this sequence. Make 3 double crochet into next space, 1, 2 and 3, 1 chain, then make 1 double crochet into next space and 1 decrease double crochet into this space and next space, yarn over, insert the hook and pull up a loop, then go to next space, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through first 3 loops, then pull through next 2 loops, and after that make 1 double crochet into this space and 1 chain, and continue this work again. 3 double crochet into next space, 1, 2 and 3, make a chain, then make 1 double crochet into next, 1 decrease into these 2 spaces, and 1 double crochet into second space, 1 chain, and continue until the end. Now at the end of this round, I made a slip stitch into third chain and next 2 double crochet and next chain 1 space, and start next round from here with 3 chain as first double crochet and 1 double crochet into this chain 1 space, then 1 chain and skip next 3 double crochet, go to next chain 1 space, make 2 double crochet into that, 1 chain, again skip next 3 stitches and make 2 double crochet into next space, 1 chain, and skip next 3 stitches and 2 double crochet into the next space, and after that make 1 chain, and we should continue this work and make 2 double crochet into each chain 1 space of previous round. Now at the end of this round, we should remove this hook and change to smaller hook for final edging. Make 1 chain and 1 single crochet into first chain, 1 single crochet at top of next double crochet, 1 single crochet into next chain 1 space, and continue this work. We have to make 1 single crochet into each double crochet of previous round and into each chain 1 space, and after that repeat this round of single crochets 2 more times. Okay, I repeated a round of single crochets 2 more times and made 1 single crochet into each single crochet of previous round, and now I am at the end of third round of single crochets. Make 1 slip stitch into first single crochet and then fasten off and cut the yarn. Now turn the work and hide this tail through the stitches of last round. And now my beautiful granny beret hat is ready. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video and leave a comment. Have a nice day.